Some of my best friends on the planet were originally, they were skeptical customers. And like any industry and any product, the customer that's buying your product has an internal problem that they're frustrated about that manifests itself in a physical way. Meaning, our customers struggle with roof leaks. They struggle with terrible customer service. They deal with jobs that gone on too long, and ultimately, facilities managers were tired of roofing. And they found WeatherWeld. They're like, this is unique. It seems like it makes sense, but how can I really trust it? And it's not until we go through the grilling process of the customer doing their due diligence, asking every question known to man. And it just so happens that those customers that were the hardest to convince, once they saw it, and once they've had it for 5 or 10 years, now they become friends because now they trust us. And now that bond for me solving their internal problem was way more than just a business transaction because I've eliminated their internal problems and we have unbelievable customer service. And it just so happens that we say what we do both in life and in business, and it's all one, they become friends. So not only do they become friends, they become ambassadors of the brand. They tell other people about it, so business grows, our friendships continue. So I love working with my friends. And I could say that for the most part, our WeatherWeld customers, when they retire, they become friends. Because we solve their internal problem, we're cool people, we can align with them, and we want facilities managers and we want people in our lives that have problems. Because those people that have problems can now be ambassadors to solutions for people like you. And that's the reason why customers don't only become friends, but they basically become family.